Okay, so we are at the Bowling Green, Kentucky Chevrolet Corvette Museum. We're about to go in and check it out. Sammy is really excited, right?
Good times.
Good times, all right. So as you enter the museum, it starts right out with the early concepts that created the Corvette. It was originally called the Cougar and quickly changed to the Corvette. So it's very cool walking through, and it's showing you the complete history behind Corvette, how it was developed, the different motors, who produced them, who had the ideas. This car went 270 miles an hour. They did a whole race-inspired area, tells you a little bit about the race history of Corvette. And then after it made its way to the bottom of the sinkhole, buried in the debris. So there's a whole section talking about the sinkhole. This is the 1.5 millionth Corvette ever built in the original white with red interior, like the original Corvettes. And it was under the dirt that they had to probe and find this car. There's a whole area dedicated talking about the sinkhole and the cars that were in it, and then having to fill it back in. As this is the room where the sinkhole actually happened. So check this out. When they came out with they were coming out with the Viper, Chevy knew they had to have something that could compete. So they came out with, instead of the ZR1, they had the ZR12. A little bit longer car, V12 motor with almost 700 horsepower. So when you come to the end, you have a little play area for the kids. Sammy and I are about to race down the Matchbox track.
This might be the best track I've come here. Yeah,
She's bumping her side. Let's get it ready. You ready?
There you go.
She got it. Okay, so coming out of the museum, done with the tour. What do you think about it?
It's pretty cool, and I think that we need to order a Corvette and pick it up here like those people are doing.
That would be cool. If you order your Vette, it looks like you can go ahead and pick it up here. I know they used to do that years ago. Appears they still do. So there was about 4 or 5 Vettes in the front, inside the building, waiting for people to pick them up. All right, that's it for the museum.